So if you're struggling with how to incorporate yoga, because as a triathlete, I know you're super busy, this is going to be a 5-minute sample course and get you moving. Let's give it a try. We're going to start in mountain pose. So you're standing with your feet about shoulder width apart, ground into the floor, and then you're going to look straight ahead at the horizon. So right away, we're going to start with your breath work. You're going to start inhaling and exhaling through your nose. And as you exhale, you're actually going to create the sound of the ocean in the back of your throat. So let's try that a few times together. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale deep, fill up your lungs, and then let it go. And 1 more time, fill up and release. Good. Now continue your breath as we go through the rest of this flow. First, we're going to focus on your alignment, your movement, or your posture. Look down at your feet and make sure your heels are in line with your second or third toe. And then spread out your toes nice and wide and then rest them on the ground. Press down through the balls of your feet at your big toe, your baby toe, and then at your in heel, especially at your inside of your heel. And then go ahead and lift up your arches just slightly. Now in doing that, we want to make sure we keep our knees slightly bent. Pull your hips up to your belly button and then tuck your tailbone down to the floor. Pull your belly button into your spine to get those abdominal muscles engaged. And then take your breastbone, your sternum, and lift it away from your tailbone to lengthen your spine. You're already sitting up or standing up nice and tall. Open up your collarbone and pull your shoulder blades down towards your hips. Take your shoulders, pull it into your shoulder blades, and then open up the palms of your hand forward and pull your thumbs back. Spread out your fingertips, and then press the crown of your head up to the ceiling, lengthening your neck space. Already, you're a lot taller than you were at the beginning, and hopefully you're continuing to breathe. Now let's add some movement to this posture. Extended mountain, swoop your arms up overhead, nice and tall. Take a breath in, and then forward fold, exhale, release it. And then the challenge here, everybody feels like they have to be straight through the knees. You can bend those knees as much as you need to comfortably. We don't want any increased tension or pain in your lower back. So I'm bending down, my knees are bent, and I'm actually resting my chest on my thighs. Next move is halfway lift. Keep your spine long, lift up your chest long, press your hands into your legs. It's going to give you some tension to lengthen your spine, and then you can breathe in again through your nose. And then from there, forward fold, let it go. You just did that one, so you already know that one. Now let's add it with our breath a little bit more quickly. Extended mountain. Pull yourself up and pull back. Breathe in. Fold forward, push forward, and let it go. Lift halfway up, press into your legs, lengthen your spine. Breathe in again. And fold forward. 1 more time, all together again. Breathe in, extended mountain, get tall. Fold forward, exhale, let it go. Lift halfway up, breathe in again, and fold forward. Extended mountain, we're gonna add some more movement to this. Grab your left wrist with your right hand and gently side bend to the left, moving through that rib cage. Come back to extended mountain, breathe in again. Now grab your right wrist and side bend to the right. Come back to extended mountain, breathe in, get tall, and come back to mountain pose. Adding a single arm mountain with the right arm, side bend to the left, breathe in. Come back to mountain, exhale out. Single arm mountain, left arm goes to the right, breathe in. Mountain pose, come back to center. 1 more time, single arm mountain pose, but now we're gonna add a rotation. So we're gonna pull your hands apart and rotate to the right, and then come back to the center, mountain pose. Single arm mountain, left side comes up, pull those hands apart, get tall, soften those knees, rotate to the left, and then exhale, come back to the center. And let's add 1 more full flow. Extended mountain, reach up nice and tall, breathe in. Fold forward, release, let it go. Lift halfway, get long, inhale, and then exhale, forward fold. Extended mountain, back up to the top, breathe in, and then finish in mountain pose once again. All right, so that is your flow. Hopefully you got your breath going, you're focused and ready to move. Good luck with that as you're a triathlete, and let me know how you do.